Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox without downloading it. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your laptop. Here in the search bar, you need to search for the website easyfun.gg. So at easyfun.gg, you can play various types of games, including the games that you can play on Roblox. So over here, you can either use the search bar in the top and search for any of the games that you want to play on Roblox without downloading it, or you can even just tap on the play now option right next to the game that you see over here. So once you do this, it will take some time to load the game, and once the game is loaded successfully, you will be able to easily play it. So as you can see over here, that if you are using any kind of ad blocks, make sure that you remove them first, because this platform is not ad free and it requires you to show ads in order to basically use this platform. So once you are over here, you can even log in into your account. This will be your easyfun.gg account, or you can even just start playing Roblox. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.